In this video, I'm going to show you how to do your empirical molecular worksheet. It's pretty simple. For this first box, you're just going to show me the empirical formulas for these. So in other words, for the number one, you're going to divide by the greatest common factor to get the empirical, because empirical is the reduced formula, molecular is the true or the real formula. So if this is the real formula, you just divide by both things by 2 and you get CH2. You could write the 1 in, you could not, it's up to you. And that's all you're going to do. Now for all the other problems, you're going to set up your chart. Now in the notes I gave you the full chart. I drew it in Microsoft Word, so it was nice and neat. All you need is that. That's all you need to do this. And you just know that molecular goes on one side, right or left doesn't matter. Empirical goes on the other, and just keep that format the same and you'll be fine. So let's see. The compound has an empirical formula of NO2. So I'm going to put it on the right. You could have put it on the left. You'll still get the right answer. And a molar mass of 92. I just have to write the right number in. So we get 92. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out the GFM of this one. So we have two O's, they are 32, one N, that's 14, add them together and you get 46. So there's my GFM. What do I have to multiply 46 by to get 92? 2. So now, last step, all I'm going to do is, since I multiplied the masses by 2, multiply the formulas by 2. So, and there's your answer. And that's all you do. And it would have worked if I would have done it this way too. If I would have done this, I'll do it off to the side, and I would have put NO2 there, and then 92 here. As long as I kept them at opposite corners, I'm still going to get it right, because I would do the math and I would get 46. I would figure out my multipliers too, and then I would just get N2O4 that way. So it doesn't make a difference no matter which way. I'll separate these out. It doesn't matter which way you do it. You're going to get the same answer either way, as long as you keep one in the top corner and the other number in the bottom corner, or the formula in one corner and the mass in the other corner. It doesn't make a difference. You don't have to keep empirical on one side or the other. All right, and you're going to do the rest. There's a back, so there's a couple problems on these. This should not take too long. These problems go pretty quick. I think the longest thing about them is usually the GFM.